Today, just wanted to bring you a short video on a new tomb fork. Most of the videos lately are the market is down, so people are just looking for like quick ways to make money. These are more short-term things because these tomb forks usually don't last that long. You do have to, they last a few months, and then you gotta check to see. Well, I would check it all the time, but you gotta check to see if it's performing well. And also, if it isn't, pull out your money. Don't just stay there and lose your money. But if it's performing well, you'll make money. But this is a new one, Snowtomb Finance, which actually it's been around a little bit, but they just got KYC, or they got approved for a KYC by Assure, and still has pretty good APR. So if you go here to the farms, you can see 20% on your money. So I put a little bit in there. I might try one of these other ones. Look, this one's 32. What I wanted to tell you is this one is pegged to AVAX, but only like a percentage of AVAX, 0.1, I believe. So it only has to be like 10% of AVAX. See this numbers here? This one is worth 2,040. So if you put in money in here and this goes down to like 1,000, you're going to lose half your money. So this one is riskier. This one is only $9. So if it goes down a little bit, the loss of percentages seems to be less. I think this one is less risky, but that's just my opinion. Somebody might have another theory on why it's not. But if these prices hold steady, then you'll be fine. But here you can go check the charts. Try not to buy in when it's like pumped all the way up. But anyway, let's see if they show. Well, see. See, if you buy it when it's 15 and then it goes down to 9, then you have a little bit of a loss. So if you try to buy down here now, it's better. Let's see, the lowest was at $3. But anyway, yeah, that's how you can check the charts, and hope you like this content. If you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.